In V1.9, we're looking at finding the sum of geometric sequences, or of course series. First thing we've got to recognise are the first term, which is A. Very quickly, you'll see that the common ratio, 6 divided by 3, is 2. So setting that up, the sum to 10 terms is equal to 3 times 1 minus 2 to the power of 10 divided by 1 take 2. Putting that in the calculator, 3069. Now, when the instruction appears to do this using algebra, this is the process you have to follow. Now, on the other hand, if you want to just do this using your calculator, as before, from the menu, sequence, write that in, enter, and then choose the column button, and you'll quickly see that to 10 terms we get 3069 as well. In the second problem, once again, determine your first term, pretty obvious, and then your common ratio. So 1000, the second term, divided by the first term, which gives us 0.5. Sum to 8 terms. And that should give you quite a large number. Once again, it would pay to check that using the calculator. In the next problem, you'll see that the numbers involved and the problem given, finding the number of terms or the n required, clearly isn't something that you can do very readily, pen and paper. Matter of fact, you'd still be solving some pretty nasty equation. So we'll set it up, identifying the first term, the common ratio 0.75, and then an expression for the nth term, and we'll simply put that into our calculator. We use the N button here. And then selecting the column button. I've already had that set up, so it produces the sum or the series as we go. And we want 70700. So you can see the 8th term will give us a sum of 707700. So 8 terms are required. Now I'm not going to go through the rubber ball problem, because that really stretches out the syllabus a bit. But please take some time to look at this process and also get used to using the calculator, because you'll find that this is the way in which we will do most of our questions involving series, and always as a check, even for some of the early problems, using the geometric sequence as well.